Well, welcome to our museum, if you will. This is where we have all of our, as much as we can to remember the past, because our company, PS Audio, has been around for 50 years. This is 2024, and we started in 1974. So do the math. It's 50 years. And today, I wanted to talk about probably our most famous, best-selling product ever. And this was back in 1988. It is the PS4 preamplifier. Okay? Kind of a simple box. You can see on the back, well, what can I tell you on here? It had, let's look inside. And you can see inside, that was one of our first all discrete, and by discrete, meaning that it had all these little, you can see, individual transistors, capacitors, resistors, as opposed to chip op amps. This was a complete all discrete product, and it was unusual in another aspect, which is, it was the first all-in-one box that we had ever made. And I think that's one of the reasons it sold so well. So if we go back in time, before the PS4, which again turned out to be our best-selling product, we had started with these little boxes. And this was our system of the time, okay? So this was the original product, the phono stage. And later on, people said, well, I need a preamp to go with it. So we built the linear control center. And together, these two products, this turns the volume up and down, selects the input. This works with your vinyl turntable. And together, they make a preamplifier. And the two-box solution was nice, because if you just needed a phono stage, you bought this. If you just needed a line stage, you bought this. If you wanted a preamplifier, you bought them both. And that was what we did for quite a while. But over time, as people began to trust us and want more, they basically wanted to have something that was complete. Well, before that happened, we had changed over to a more modern look, and I don't have the phono stage that goes with it, but this was the linear control center of the next generation. And same thing that you saw over there, but now we've gone to a more conventional front plate, top and bottom, and we had a rack that this slid into, and together with the phono stage, you had a complete preamp, but it wasn't really a complete preamp. It was a way to take modular products and put them into one box. And that's how, over time, we came up with this product in 1988, as I told you, the PS4, that did turn into our very best-selling product. We sold thousands and thousands of these, and to this day, people still use the PS4 and still love it. Anyway, there you go. That is the famous 4.0 preamp from PS Audio back in 1988. We'll do more of these just to give you a bit more history of what's going on. All right. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.